Hey, it's Latoya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. If you're here, I'm going to show you exactly how I make videos for YouTube, okay? So, why Club Cash Fund? If you haven't heard about it already, it's a very booming direct mail program, alright? And it pays out weekly. But before I get into it, and before you get excited about this, I want to show you exactly how I make videos for YouTube. So let's just dive right in. Alright, so I'm going to head on over. You want to go to screencast-o-matic.com. And real quick, let me just walk you through this because I'm already logged in. So let me log out real quick and start from the beginning. Okay, so you want to head on over to screencast-o-matic.com. Alright. Once you arrive at screencast-o-matic.com, you're going to see the option to log in or sign up. It's free. Alright. What you want to do is click the orange sign up, it's free button. Okay. Then you're going to see that you can sign up with Google or enter an email address to use for your new account or log in with an existing account. Alright, so you have a space here to enter your email, and then you can check this box. It's optional. I want to get important updates, tips and tricks, and special offers. It's optional. Then you want to click the blue sign up button. Alright, but because I have an account already, I'm just going to go ahead and log in. So as you can see, email, password, and you want to hit the blue login button. Alright, so once you arrive at Screencast-O-Matic and you're successfully logged in, you're going to simply hit the start recorder blue button right here. Okay. And because I am already logged in, it's not going to show you on my screen, but you're going to see a countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. Then your video is going to start recording. Alright. At any point in time, once you're recording your video and you need to stop, just simply hit the pause button. You can also pick up where you left off, okay? Once you're done recording your video, you simply press done, okay? You're going to see the option to hit the play button, and you'll see a triangle where you can listen to what you recorded, alright? And you can watch the playback. You're going to also see a trash can where you can trash the whole video and restart over if you choose, alright? But once you hit done, you're going to see the option to save and upload your video. From there, you can enter a title, alright? You can enter a description, alright? And you can also enter keywords in the tags area, and that's very important because that way when you're uploading your video to YouTube using this particular software, this video recorder, YouTube is going to be able to automatically pick up your algorithms for your specific keywords and your description. So it's very important to get these things done before clicking upload. Once you click upload, your video will then be uploaded to your YouTube channel. So what I like about Screencast-O-Matic is that it's super simple to use compared to other screen share websites out. And this is the simplest for me to understand and share with you all. So if you're on the fence about making videos, I hope this tutorial has helped you and gives you some insight on how to make videos for your YouTube channel. Alright, so let's dive right in, okay, to Club Cash Fund. Let's get right into this, you guys, because I'm excited about this particular direct mail program, and so should you. Alright, so once you alright, so with Club Cash Fund, what you want to do is request your free starter kit, okay? And I'm going to leave that link down below in the description of this video. Alright, and once you request your free starter kit, you're going to receive an envelope just like this in the mail, okay? First class mail, alright? At no shipping cost to you, it's mailed out, alright? So simply click on the link below in the description of this video to request your free starter kit. Alright, and in your starter kit, you're going to receive a 6-page letter that looks like this. Alright, and this 6-page letter is going to tell you exactly what Club Cash Fund is all about. Alright, how to get started. Alright, you're also going to see a Q&A page that's going to answer any questions that you may have about Club Cash Fund. Alright, now this is simply a 3-step program. So what you want to do is listen to the 24/7 recorded overview, alright? And the website is listed here, okay? So you want to first dial in and listen, right? And then you want to, in step 2, request your free starter kit. Alright, and simply in step 3, you want to send in your one-time only $100 registration fee. Alright, that's going to give you licensed reseller. Okay, so that way you can resell the program to others, all right, and start earning your cash payments weekly. All right, so if you can simply send people to your website, then you can make money in this program because the owner of the company is going to be mailing these out on your behalf. So you're not going to have to print these, so no printing cost to you. You're not going to have to buy postage stamps, and you're not going to have to do these mailings. So what I love about Club Cash Fund is a complete done-for-you system. All right, so also inside of your envelope, you're going to receive a business reply envelope. All right, as you can see, no postage necessary, okay? You're going to also see on the back of your envelope a ID number. All right, that's very important. Everyone who requests a kit from Club Cash Fund, they get their very own unique identifier number. So that way, once others start joining the program, this number is cookie to you, and the owner of the company can mail payments to you. All right, so you're going to need this ID number. So that's what you have to look forward to inside of your starter kit. Alright, so I'm just going to show you exactly what you have to look forward to. Once you request your starter kit, you're going to receive a thank you email from the owner himself, who just basically thanks you for requesting your starter kit. You're also going to receive a follow-up email that lets you know that your kit has been mailed out. Now, if you want to take action and join this program sooner, there is an expedited process, and you're going to be able to either cash app your payment or PayPal your payment to myself, and I can just let you guys know more details about how to get started, because once you see the value in the program and you take action like I did, you get started right away. So I cashed out my payment, did everything I had to do, and started promoting this program instantly. That way you get paid as soon as next week. All right, I already have emails come in that lets me know that you have cash on the way. So let's just look at what you get with Club Cash Fund. All right, you're going to get your very own username and password, um, where you can have access to your website. So I'm just going to log in. And inside of your back office, you're going to get access to real products, okay? So let's take a look at what you get with Club Cash Fund. You're going to receive access to digital training, all right? Standard training modules, all right? It includes Email Profits Bootcamp as well as Facebook, dominating with free Facebook strategies, all right? So if you're not familiar with marketing, um, you're going to get that included with your one-time only registration fee, okay? You also have the option to go pro, all right? Going pro allows you to maximize your earning potential, all right? And as you can see, you have access to additional training, Instagram marketing for your business, all right? You have access to content marketing mastery. You also have access to LinkedIn training, having fearless conversation, podcast profits, also BizTube Academy. So I don't know about you, but I'm going to be positioned at the pro level very soon, because you just increase your potential with earning weekly in this program. All right. So in addition to the products, you get your own website with Club Cash Fund. You also have access to our company rotator. Once you get started, your website is placed on a company rotator. That way you get hits on your link, and that way kits are mailed out on your behalf from the company. All right. You have access to marketing. All right. And you learn flyers, postcards, websites, and more. You also have access to traffic training, email swipes, form codes if you're doing anything like funnel related, and as well as banners for advertising. So you get quite a bit of training. All right, you'll also be able to see your leads, your kits, what is being sent out on your behalf. You can see your team as well as your sales inside of your back office. All right. So I don't know about you, but that is very, very powerful. All right. So what you're going to get once you get started with Club Cash Fund and join my team, you're going to have access to our Club Cash Fund Superstars private Facebook group. You're also going to get access to our messenger chat, where you can receive additional training and support. All right. So get excited, you all. If you're looking for a way to create an additional income, or just creating an income from home, this is it. This is a complete done for you system for a one-time only $100 registration fee. All right, so at no cost to you for shipping, the company mails on your behalf. You don't have to pay for printing, postage, or any of that. So get excited and request your free starter kit. So just click on the link below this video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found value in this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.